Ever feel like your favorite show on YouTube TV is just blazing by too fast? Or maybe you need to dissect a play in a sports game at a snail's pace? Well, today I'm going to show you how to take control and adjust the playback speed on YouTube TV, giving you the power to watch at your own perfect pace. First things first, make sure you're actually watching something on YouTube TV. Go ahead and select a video to play. Once your video is playing, you'll need to bring up the playback controls. Typically, you can do this by pressing the OK or Enter button on your remote. This will reveal the pause button, the timeline, and other options. Now look for the three dots, often arranged vertically. This is usually located in the corner of the playback controls. Sometimes on the right-hand side, select those three dots. This will open a menu with additional options. In this menu, you should see a setting labeled playback speed. Navigate to that option and select it. A new menu will appear showing different playback speeds. Here, you'll find a range of speeds. You can slow things down to 0 to 5x, 05x, or 75x for detailed viewing, or speed things up to 125x, 15x, or even to x to power through content. Choose the speed that works best for you by selecting it. And that's it. The video will now play at your chosen speed. You can adjust this at any time by repeating these steps. Experiment and find the perfect pace for your viewing needs. So next time you need to slow things down to catch every detail, or speed things up to save some time, you'll know exactly how to customize your viewing experience on YouTube TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks.